So we finally got power today, and one thing I have noticed is the weather has gotten cooler after Hurricane Milton came through, and Deidre is a lot feistier. She seems to be enjoying her time out here. Also, she's got energy. Yeah, interesting. She's attacking one of the little branches that fell. And I have lots of those all around. And maybe today I'll work on that fence panel. And the yard, the pool I've been cleaning all last night, it was full of leaves. So I guess I'll continue doing that today.